Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and I am out in the wilds here. And it seems like my big Amaya has stumbled across a rainbow high. Yes, he's here. He has a little pumpkin, and he's going, "Would you be my pumpkin friend?" Sorry, ladies, I was late getting a little video out, and I couldn't participate in the collaboration earlier today. I did get this little dress made. I was actually trying to film making this dress, but uh, you know, life happens when you're trying to film things. So I just wanted to get a quick little video in and say, hopefully next time I look forward to it. And I am trying to plan something for Amaya for, I think it was the 3rd of November. Anyway, this is Donna. And if you feel so inclined, join group Facebook group. It's called Our Dolls World. It's a private little group. I think there's like 49, 50 members in there now. All of y'all are welcome to join. So come join us. Everybody loves to see everything dolly in there. So everyone's welcome. And we will talk to you later. And Amaya and this little guy says, Happy Halloween, and we will see you later. Bye.